What are the words you want to hear from your dog? Maybe it's, I love you. Or, I'm hungry and you forgot to feed me, Mom. Or, not my favorite, but, Mom, I have spicy diarrhea. Take me out before I go on your favorite rug. I wish he could also tell me if he's in pain or sad. And I wish he could tell me what happened for a month between August 15th to September 18th when I dropped him off with his sister at the boarding facility and the 35-pound bag that was supposed to feed them for the entire month was depleted in only 2 weeks and the facility called to have us send them a new bag. Because when we picked him up, this happened.
No, oh my God. You attacked me. Frank, why'd you get so fat? Hey! Oh my God, he's so big. Yeah. 얘 살 너무 많이 쪘다. He's the biggest I've ever seen him. Pony.
What happened, Frank? What happened? And that's how Operation Frankie Diet began. What is happening? Next up, good old exercise. After our Chihuahua passed last summer, we realized our dogs won't be with us forever. Of course, I always knew that, but it was the first time it actually hit us. Very blessed to say this, but that's the first loss I've ever experienced. When I saw the life leave our dog when he was in my husband's arms, I couldn't imagine recording any moment of that. It's too painful. But while I do have my dogs here, I want to record as many memories as I can and cherish them, even if it's a record of my chubby golden retriever's diet. Well, after that long day at the lake, I needed a treat. Just because Frank is on a diet doesn't mean I can't enjoy my guilty pleasure. It's Korean ramyeon, my comfort food, a flavor bomb, tons of MSG. It's hot, it's spicy, it's perfect. All right, back to Frank's diet. Portion control. Our vet said we should cut his meals by 25%. We were advised to bring his weight down back to the low 70s. That's 10 pounds. Frank is my first puppy as an adult, and my husband thinks I baby him. And maybe it's true because We're measuring out smaller meals, and I have this urge to give him extra toppers or throw him a snack. So instead, I thought I'd skip the treats with some frozen vegetables. He doesn't like vegetables, but who knows? Maybe he will like it frozen. It blows my mind. He loves to eat sticks at the park, but he won't eat veggies? Okay, I guess I can give him a few real treats. But he'll have to work for it. It's treasure hunt time. Let's do some nose work and burn calories. And get it all back, but at least he has fun with it. Did you know 10 minutes of sniffing is equivalent to an hour of walking? So I hid some treats around this room. Let's see how he does. I'll have to wipe that. Verdict is out. He's an expert snack sniffer.